Now, beginning tomorrow, you'll no longer have to wear a mask outdoors in Vermont if it's possible to social distance. Governor Phil Scott revealed that today. Phase 2 of the Vermont Forward Plan also goes into effect tomorrow. And Local 22's Devin Bates joins us live in the newsroom now with more about not only that, but also why state officials are concerned about younger Vermonters' willingness to get vaccinated. Devin, where's that coming from?
Yeah, Mike, registration opened nearly 2 weeks ago for the 18 to 29 age group, but as of yesterday, less than half of that group had signed up for an appointment. Now, whether that's a sign of vaccine hesitancy or simply because they're waiting for a more convenient appointment, it had Governor Scott's attention today.
Step up to help everyone else. And I don't think it's too much to ask.
The most recent data from the Vermont Department of Health shows that 56% of Vermonters in the 18 to 29 age group haven't registered for the vaccine, leaving Governor Phil Scott puzzled at Friday's briefing, to say the least.
We want to meet them where they are. We want to use education. But at the end of the day, it's about doing the right thing. I mean, we have, again, look at the rates here. Look at the 65 and over 90%.
Those comments came with the reminder that the Vermont Forward Plan is tied to vaccination rates, and entering Step 3 on June 1st would require 70 to 85% of Vermonters over 16 to have at least one dose. The state needs another 9% to meet the minimum, but in the meantime, the threshold has been met for Step 2 on May 1st. That means more businesses moving from sector-specific guidance to a more relaxed universal guidance, and new guidance for indoor and outdoor gatherings.
Indoors, gatherings and events may include one unvaccinated person per 100 square feet, up to 150 people, plus any number of vaccinated persons. Outdoors, gatherings and events may include up to 300 unvaccinated people, plus any number of vaccinated persons as well.
State Health Commissioner Dr. Mark Levine said that as the state begins to shed its COVID-19 restrictions, it means Vermonters will have to make more of their own decisions about how to keep themselves and others safe. He introduced what he called a rule of 3 to keep in mind when you're making those judgment calls.
Outside, masked, distanced. You need 2 of these 3 elements. For example, if you're outside and distanced, you do not need to wear a mask. If you're outside and not distanced, wear a mask. And if you're not outside, you should wear a mask and keep a distance.
Now, that universal guidance can be found on the Agency of Commerce and Community Development website. It includes wearing a mask, practicing social distancing, practicing good hygiene, and staying home if you're sick. Live in the newsroom tonight, Devin Bates, Local 22 News.
And Devin, with that